A mesothelioma lawsuit is just a little more complicated than a motor vehicle accident lawsuit. The concept is still the same. You hire a lawyer, he determines what products you were exposed to, oftentimes with your help, and then we'll file a lawsuit against the company who made those products. First thing we do is just try to get a feel for what disease do you have, and then we talk about all the things that a case can bring, the benefits of it, what's the expectations of you, which is very little other than to give us information, and then, what the next steps are, which the next steps, if you say yes to them, is within 24 hours, but we do it at the client's convenience. We'll go to your home and meet with you. You'll feel like you're in a small office because once you're on your team, those are the people you talk to every day. Well, your team is going to be who's going to reach out to you. That team member is going to be the same person that you talk to on day 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to be the same person who's sitting next to you at trial if it goes to trial. Your team will then start investigating to see how you were exposed, gather all your medical records, etc. Sometimes you have a choice as to where you can file your case. But there's certain jurisdictions in the United States that move faster by law, that people with mesothelioma must have their cases heard sooner. As a national firm, we have that ability to do it wherever is best for you, wherever we think is best for you. And most of the time, what we think is best for you is where you can get justice sooner. Our clients could receive compensation in as little as 6 weeks. The more likelihood is it would be 2 or 3 months. And then you'll probably continue receiving various compensation for another year. The treatment for mesothelioma is extremely expensive. It adds up in travel for treatment, etc. You can relieve some of the stress on the family if you can help them find funding for all of their needs, which may eventually be home care for their loved one. That's where we come in. What are we very good at is trying to find justice for them, but we're also there to comfort and guide them through their care and through the court system. If you or a loved one have been diagnosed with mesothelioma, Sokolove Law is here to help. Call us today.